I'm keeping you posted with a new video. Monkey Labs, go get it on App Lab. Has lots of megabytes and stuff. And yeah, let's get on to it. I'm going to a casual lobby to see what that is. So right here, you can see my name. Casual lobby. See if there's a thing in here. Enter. See what this says. Oh jeez, no, I don't like it, I don't like this. I need to join Publix for this, gosh. This reminds me so much of Chip Lab. Wait. It helps you with your Lucio, this game. Wait, 1 second. Let me just get ready. No way. No freaking way. Wait, real quick, I need to quit and rejoin so I can. Cool. Lobby. Thank you so much for 20 subscribers. I'm so grateful for all my subscribers. I only had my channel for a month. I knew a VR would be amazing. Hello? You guys are ready? Prepare for me to scream. Yo, hello. Finally, someone. Go down the horde. Go down the horde. You guys get a shout out. Bro. Yo, guys, you get a shout out.
Because everyone like me is weird. Guys, by the way, you have to go up. By the way, you have to go up there. If you hold Y, you go in slow motion.
Yo, hello. Behind you. I'm a YouTuber.
You hear me? You hear
me? This is my channel, 2023 GPVR. It's nice to meet you. Okay. You get a shout out.
You can hear me.
You get a shout out, okay?
Alright. Wait, record a video and I'm just gonna say hi.
Okay. So the video is called it's gonna be called Playing Monkey Labs. And you'll be and you're in it right now. You're very lucky.
Alright. Ah! Oh god! Oh crap!
Jeez.
Wait, you hear me, right? Because I'm scared.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Whew.
Here, let's go. Yeah,
oh,
let's go.
Dang.
He's not here, wait.
That just gave me PTSD.
Oh crap, he's over there, mate. Look. He's over here.
Oh, dang.
He ain't doing anything.
Oh, dang.
He ain't doing, look, he actually ain't doing anything. He isn't doing anything, actually, look.
Okay, I'm gonna go back up, okay? Bye.
Alright, I'm following. What do we do?
I don't know. Just go mess around. Or something, I don't know.
Is this gonna be pre-recorded? Or is this actually just recorded right now?
Yeah, it's actually going on YouTube.
Who's recording on YouTube?
Me. I'm 2023 GPVR.
By the way,
I have no clue who that is,
right?
but hello.
Yeah, I've been owning my channel for a month.
By the way, guys, if you hold Y, you go in slow motion.
By the way, if you hold trigger, then you can fly. If you hold trigger, then you can fly.
Alright.
See?
I can't.
That ain't working. No,
Okay.
you lying. Yo, could you
See, look at me.
moderator?
No.
Oh my
How you doing
goodness.
that then?
Horror mode.
I'm just holding trigger like I said.
Guys,
Yeah,
I'm
Yo.
holding
trigger, look.
level 2 horror mode.
I'm holding
There's a level
trigger.
3.
There is.
Yeah, I know.
Sweet.
Guys, I'm holding trigger.
I've been
Don't
having
worry.
my
Don't
channel
worry,
for
babe.
1 month
Don't
and I'm at
worry.
20 subs. Thank you again for all your support, my community.
I wish I
Dear
could talk to
community.
you, but I don't actually have a real
Imagine if I
account
make a
yet.
video called Dear
But I would
Community of
definitely
2023 GPVR.
Yeah, could you
Thank you,
moderate
community.
just like I expected?
I'm not a moderator, I'm a head moderator.
You haven't got.
Oh
forgot
dang,
that
man,
banhammer.
dang. Da, 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 da.
Do I what? What?
Okay, I pull up. Da, 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 stuff.
What do
Bro.
I have? And what do I not have?
Since he's a moderator, he's a da 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 da.
I'm a head moderator, bro.
Wait, guys, let's go into PvP.
It's nightfall.
I'm a head
I won't be there to get you through it all. I was getting kinda to be you love.
Zizi, where are you? Zizi, is that you? Oh, wait, Zizi, Zizi, over here.
No! Go!
I'm gonna my gun.
Bro, if I look at you, you dead.
I could have swore I saw myself.
If I look
Okay.
at you, you
Oh.
dead.
gun at?
I was just me singing
He's dead. He's dead.
earlier, and now
Gonna run
If I look at you, you're dead.
I just killed him.
If I look at
when
you,
the day bleeds, when this is the best game ever.
Get your hands up. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. No. Come on. Don't kill me. Killing the lead. Can you kill me? Please and thank you. Oh yeah.
no, come on!
Wait, hold on. Kill me real quick. I'm good.
Elliot! Come on! No, come here! Well, some kid sounds like Elliot.
Open the door.
I'm trying to
Open the door. Oh yeah, open the door to open the door.
There.
Stop closing the door to get out.
surprise, mother.
I'm just equipping a different weapon. I'm equipping a different weapon. How do you equip
Surprise,
a different
Mom.
weapon? I am friendly. What? Friendly. Yeah, I am. I'm just going there. What's wrong with you?
No, shoot him! Shoot him! Freddy!
Surprise, mother.
Guys, bro, let me equip my
Are
weapon.
you ready, Freddy?
Surprise, mother.
Hey,
Oh, shoot.
Stop, I just want to
Let him
equip
go, let him-
a different weapon.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Come on, go in, quick.
Okay, okay.
The
Come on,
fifth
go
Pixel
in.
Pocket.
Go in! Get out of here!
Come on, guys, it's me.
You get out of here!
Pixie Jutsu.
No, my hand! My hands!
Silver round.
you want tea?
God. You wanna shoot each other?
Oh, I'm friendly. Hey. Hello. Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna do the next surprise.
I'm so sorry.
You know.
The person I just killed, he was gonna kill me, so I had. Oh, hi, Bob.
I'm on your guys'
Okay.
team.
Oh, Bob's dead.
Yo, can I be in? Can I be in?
Oh, yeah,
You can go in. You can go in.
Touch you.
You hello?
I have one
Go in.
piece of mouse.
Stop pressing to open the door. You can't kill
Surprise, mother.
that.
Behind you, with the AR-15 outside the map.
Hey, you're doing? No killing in the house.
Wait, no, I have peace. I declare peace. I declare peace.
No, I don't.
I did.
Wait, hey, sniper team, sniper team. Yo, sniper team.
Why are you so foggy, Don't keep it on TV.
Sniper team.
Guys,
So wait,
I promise I won't kill y'all.
let's team.
I won't kill y'all. Me neither. Alright. It's so fun. Let me do something funny.
How do I end it?
Easy.
Move out the way, you little stinky babies.
I'm in.
Get out.
Get
Get
in.
Let's go.
Oh, Bobby's
You
gonna
get
kill
out.
me. Bobby's gonna kill me. I have to.
Oh God,
Bobby wants to kill me.
Okay, I'm choosing a new weapon this time. It's gonna be better than last time. So. Excuse me. Shoot. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh no. PvP is the best mode, by the way, but PvP, 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 PvP. Excuse me.
Okay, guys, stop shooting.
Let me I won't shoot.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yo.
I'm good. Don't kill me.
I literally found out I won't shoot. I'm joking, bro. I'm joking. Okay, you go.
Let me in.
Bad. I'm back.
I'm back.
Don't kill Froggy. I'm the person who started the team. Stop shooting me. No!
Help me. Help me.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm at 24 HP. I'm stuck in the door.
I'm in.
Guys,
I'm
stop
sorry.
shooting me.
I
Okay, I'll stop shooting.
I'm shooting in there.
I'm here. Oh, wait, no.
Hello. I know where you are.
I'll sit down here.
What? They keep killing
I got
me.
sniped, guys.
I'm
I got sniped.
weaponless. When I'm weaponless, then I'm
You're a little boy.
scared. I'm trying to get a new weapon, bro. Trying to get a new weapon. Gosh dang it! I'm trying to get a new weapon. Trying to get a new weapon. I'm trying to get a new weapon.
I'm not gonna kill him.
Try to get a new weapon.
He killed somebody.
Hey guys, can I drop? Can we team?
Bob.
Come on. Okay, let's go.
They keep shooting me.
Don't worry if you get killed, just run back. and-
Just kidding, just kidding. I
Let me
won't
do
kill
something
you.
funny.
Okay, by the way, that's the end of the video.
Fuck you.